Hello students, welcome to the online Pathshala. Today we are going to learn about simple tricks for reasoning, and this reasoning topic is most important and it is most useful for IBPSC clerk, SSC, CGL, CHSL, NTSC and further all Olympiad exams which are being conducted by this central government. Now we will see this series. This is known as series questions and this we will be calling it as letter series. Okay, we are doing these problems and this we will be calling it as letter series. To solve these problems, to solve this all questions, first and foremost thing you need to do is you need to write all the alphabets in an order, that is from A to M, and after that you need to write N in down of M again in a reverse order like this: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, and again N will be starting from down of the M. Okay, you need to write here. Now what is the question? It is shown here. A, Z, Y is showing E, X, W. In the same way, in the same order, how I, V, U will be showing. Okay, A, Z, Y is showing E, X, W. Then how I, V, U, whatever here you are using the rule, that should be similar to the rule what you are applying for here to get an answer. Okay, now we will see what it is given here. What it is given here: A, Z, Y. It is written as E, X, W. Okay, A, here A it is there and E it is there, right? If you add 4 plus 4, if you add 4, you will be getting E, right? This you will be giving the number 1. Here it is 5. So 1 plus 4 is 5. So you are adding plus 4 here, plus 4, and Z and X is there. First letter should we are comparing it with first letter of the next series, and second letter with the second number with the second. Here Z it is there. Here Z, how you are getting X? If you do minus 2, you will be getting X. So minus 2. Okay, what you have done here? Plus 4 you have done, and again for this you are doing minus 2, and again for Y to W, what it is having, what it is occurring in the form of minus 2 again here. That means minus 2. What it is, how it is in the form? Plus 4, minus 2 and minus 2. Okay, in the similar way, not as equal, in a similar way you need to get an answer. Now what it has asked in a question: I, V, U. Okay, I, V, U. How it will be showing? Okay, now how we have done here? I it is there. If you add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, what you need to get? M, right? Here V is there. If you do minus, what the next series you have got? Minus 2. That means minus 2 is T, right? Again for U, what you need? Minus 2. What you will getting? S. But in the question, do you have any such answer like that? No. I have previously told you that you need to get in a similar way, not as equal. You need to get a similar way. See, last two of the letters are same for this, right? TS. So keep it aside. Now we will check how the O has been got here. Here what it is given? 1. When O is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means if you add plus 6, you are getting O here, and again here what is the series for this? Plus 6, minus 2 and minus 2, right? It is somewhat similar to the series. So which is approximately, which will be showing the approximately equal series, that you will be considering is the answer. Now what is the answer here? B is the answer, right? Now we will see the next question. How it is there in the next question? That is A, F, K. It will be it is showing as B, G, L, right? It is showing as BGL. How it had now? How it has got the series, right? What it is given? A, after that B, plus 1, F, after that plus 1, and again K. After that what it is there? Plus 1. That means every next letter is the answer for this. Every next letter for the question is the answer. Now what you need to get? If EZO has got the answer, what might be the question here? Right? EZO has got, then what is the series it will be getting before that? If E is got here, what will you will be getting? You need to do minus 1. What? E before that? D. Right? J has got. How we have the, here plus 1 is there, we are adding plus 1. Here already the answer it is given. What you need to do? Here we are doing minus 1. EZO is given. Now you need to check what is the answer here, right? How it has seen A, if you add plus 1, the next letter of that letter will be the answer. But here answer only is given. Now you need to find out the question. Here E is there. What you will be getting the question? D. After next letter is E, right? You have got it. Now J. What is the before letter? I. Here O is there. What is the before letter? N. So what is the right answer? D-I-N. Right? Now we will see what is the question given here. A, E, Z, which will be showing as I, E, I, Y. How it is showing, right? A, that means A, when it is getting E, if you add plus 4, you are getting E. Now E and I, what is the relation between these two, E and I? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again you are adding 4, right? Again how E and Z you have got when you do minus 1. What is the series you have followed here? Plus 4, comma plus 4 and minus 1, right? Now what is the question given here? IOX. What it is the question shown here? IOX, right? Here similarly minus is there. First IOX. If you do x minus 1, that means x to that minus 1. What you are getting? W. Right? Now see. Check the answer which is showing the last letter, that is W. What is there? D here. Right? You need to check in a simpler way, in a easy way, so that you get an answer just below 30 seconds. Right? Just in a time of 30 seconds. Now we see, if you do I plus 4, what you will get? 1, 2, 3, 4. M, right? M. And again O plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. S, MS, W, you need to get the answer. But there is no such answer in the question. That means this is the similar way. You need to check the similar answer for this. Here I is there. Okay. One of the hint you have got it, that last letter will be W. So check it. 0 O U. For how much if you add to I, you will be getting O. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is plus 6 you have add. You are getting O. And to the O, how much you are adding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again you are adding plus 6. What is the series here you have followed? In the same way, similar way. Right? Here you have plus, here you are having plus, here minus, and here is also minus. What is the answer you have got here? OUW. For such type of questions, for this letter series, for sure you need to draw this table. You need to draw this alphabets, okay, so that it makes your question easy to get the answer. So by using this, and this is one of the model for the question, and there are still many other models which comes under the letter series. In the next session we will be discussing about the letter series of different modules, how that will be asked in the exams. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the online